Okay, I'm coming back to this Google Home Hub, and I'm going to set up something else that it is important to me. I have a Hive smart thermostat that works with my central heating, and now I'm going to add that to the Google Home Hub. And to do that, again, like in the previous video, I'm going to go to the Home Hub right here. Let me place the phone like that, and press Add, Set up device, and works with Google, because I know that does work with Google. I'll go straight to search and put in Hive. That's it. And again, enter the login details and log into your Hive account that you've already had set up, and the thermostat, it's added. Select device and add to a room. I'm going to select this and I'm going to add it to a room, and add it to the living room. Press next. Apparently there's a problem communicating with Google, but I'm going to try again. Press next again, and the device was moved to the living room. Press done, and again you'll see it here, the thermostat. It is connecting now, and you see the temperature and all that. And also let's look on the Google's Hub screen. It is updating, and that's the thermostat right there. Now sometimes this doesn't show that it's turned on, but let's try the Google activation. Hey Google, what's the temperature in the house?
It's currently 18 degrees.
So you can probably hear that it said it's 18 degrees. So let's try and ramp that up. Hey Google, set the temperature at 19 degrees.
Okay, setting the thermostat to 19 degrees.
Now I can also press this button right here, and it is on. Look at the temperature right there. It's set at 19, currently at 18, and this mode, it's hit on or off. And that's how you set up Google Home Hub to work with your Hive thermostat. I'll keep this video short, and next I'm going to look at a couple of smart plugs. These are third-party plugs that do work with Google.